guys, how are you doing? Today is a new adventure for us all. We are going to start our learning plan, and today I wanted to get on Shobi and show you guys what your lessons are going to look like this week. So here we go. Give me just a second. I'm going to click on Shobi. All right, so the first thing you're going to see is Mrs. Price's third grade 19 through 20, like you always do. And we've had all of these assignments this last year. So the one thing I want you to focus on is just week 1, April 6th through 10th lessons. So we're going to click on that. And we have 6 weeks. We're going to do 2 weeks, and this is just this first week's. I'm not going to post or unlock next week's until the end of this week. So you have 4 daily assignments that we would like for you to focus on. The first thing I want you to notice is week 1 checklist. It's at the very bottom of the list. So when I click on week 1 checklist, the teachers, third grade teachers, have created a checklist to help you guys. And so it shows you each day what your assignment is. So you will have language arts, you will have math for 20 minutes, you'll do social sciences. We're going to focus on science for the next week or 2. And then the morning math, ELA, morning work. And of course you have your 20 minutes to read each week. And each night. So I want you to make sure you check on Monday. There's a Monday in each box, and then as soon as you complete that assignment, I want you to click on the box, make a little X on it. And that will help you to make sure you're completing each of your assignments. When you get back into the assignments, let's just take a look at week 1. The first assignment I would like for you to complete is science. We have downloaded some mystery science videos, and I think you're really going to enjoy these. And so our reading activities go along with the science activities. So that's why I want you to do science first. So I want you to scroll down, and then there's a URL at the bottom of the page. I want you to click on that, and then your video pops right up. And then there is a hands-on activity, as you see. You're going to watch and learn, and then you're going to get to do a hands-on activity. And the page to go along with that is also right here. But in your packet that you're getting from the school, you will get the science pages that go along with our activities. So don't feel like you need to find a printer and print that. All of that will be available. So you're going to have the paper copy of this in order to cut it and go along with your assignment. All right, so then after you do that, I'll just click on reading day 1. And again, there's a URL link. All you have to do is click on it, and it will take you to ReadWorks. These reading activities will read to you. So all you have to do is click on the arrow, and let me log back in. And if you'll notice,
what's the big idea about water?
It reads the whole passage to you, and so we're really excited about that. Your reading questions are also right here. You'll have to click on question set, and there is a place for you to I know it says written answer here, but on yours it gives you lines. This is just the teacher's view. So on your question, you will have lines to actually type or write your answers. So we're really excited that all of these activities this week are online, and so you just have to click away for each assignment. Let's go look at what math is going to look like for the next week. Or actually, I think we're going to keep the math I cans going. I know half of you completed your money I can, and I'm really proud of you guys for doing that. And so when you go on to the math I can, you scroll down, you have the answer page, And then if you scroll up, you see that it's 1 through 8. There are the pages, and it has each problem and each number in the corner. So probably the best way to do this is like I asked you to do the money, is to get a piece of scratch paper, write 1 through 40 on the paper, and answer each question. And then when you're done answering all the questions for Monday, it's just 1 through 20. I want you to record your answers. Do not submit this until after Tuesday when you have answered 21 through 40. And also, we have put a link to a video on rounding, because that's what math for day 1 and day 2 will look like. And so it'll kind of refresh your memory on the best practice for rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. Okay, I'm going to go back. The other activities we want you to do is you have little morning work. These shouldn't take too much time. And it's just one little section right here for Monday. And so this is Monday activity, and then that's all you need to do. And you don't have to submit this until the end of the week. And then if we go back to the morning work for math, click on it, and you will see Monday right here, multiplication Monday. So complete these 4 boxes and you're done. It shouldn't even take you 10 minutes, honestly. And let's see, I think that's it. We went over your math and your science and your reading. And of course, we want you reading 20 minutes each day. So go back to your checklist. After I get done with this video, I will put it on day 1 video so you have access to this for the rest of the week. So if there's something you forgot to do, go back and check it. The other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was making sure that you know the rules to the iPads. So let me come back up to you so you guys can see me. All right, so you guys have done a great job with the iPads this year, and we're very proud of you. So we want you to keep that up. We want you to be very respectful of these iPads. Especially if you have younger brothers and sisters, do not leave the iPads just lying around. Put it up high so that they cannot access those iPads. And always, always never leave them on the floor and then take off and do something. You guys have done a great job with the iPads. We're really excited that our learning for the next 6 weeks will be through the iPad. You're going to submit all your assignments through Shobi, and then I'll give you feedback along the way. If you have any questions, be sure to send me an email through the Gmail account, and I'll be sure to answer those questions. Of course, I will be available from 9 to 10 every morning, and let's see, I think 7 to 8 o'clock is when the PM office hours for the teachers. Let me look at my notes to make sure I've got everything. Yeah, if you have any questions, just be sure to send me an email. And I sure miss you guys, and I wish we weren't having to do this distance learning, but you guys rock the iPads and you rock the technology, and I know that you're going to continue learning because you guys have done such a great job with it this year. So just keep in touch. I will be checking in with you, probably giving you each a phone call this week and checking on you. So if you have any questions, write it down or send me an email. Take care. Love you guys.